Okay, this is my video debunking the Noah's Ark flood myth. And I have this question for Ken Ham and Ray Comfort and all these creationists and whatever, and I would like to have a response. The flood myth. We have fossilized remains of dinosaurs and trilobites and all this stuff, right? And according to the Noah's Ark story, your God destroyed everything because of the sins of man and started over. Well, there's a little bit of a flaw in the story. And if God did that and destroyed the human race to start over because of their sins or whatever, then there should be in the fossil records how many human fossilized buried bodies, which there are none. In the fossilized beds of everything, there should be how many fossilized dead humans that God killed. Can you produce some of those fossilized humans for us? No, you can't, because there aren't any. So, it's just a myth. And I find no truth in it, because you can't produce the evidence of the fossilized human bodies that God destroyed in this magical flood. We don't have any of those fossilized human remains that says he wiped out everyone on the planet except for Noah and his family. There's no evidence to support that. So, please, show me the evidence.